Hawker Hurricane was a fighter aircraft of the Royal Air Force. It was used during World War II and gained particular fame in the Battle of Britain. During the Battle of Britain, Hurricanes were responsible for 70% of the German aircraft out. Although perhaps somewhat older in design than the also legendary Spitfire, for example, the rear fuselage was traditionally constructed of wood and fabric. The Hurricane was vital during the Battle of. The Hurricane was used by a large number of other countries. Even before World War II, 20 aircraft were delivered to Belgium, which also bought the licensing rights. In late 1941, 24 Hurricanes were delivered to the military aviation of the Royal Netherlands Indies Army. Other users included Finland. Specifications: Role Fighter Aircraft Ru-1 Variants MiG, I, EI, III, IV, B, IA, IB, IC, IIC, Canadian Hurricanes, MiG, X to MiG, Xviews United Kingdom 1937, Belgium 1939, Netherlands 1941, Poland 1940, Finland, Portugal, Iran, Yugoslavia, Turkey, Romania, Greece, and the Soviet Union. Length 9.8 from overall height 4.0 wingspan 12.19 wing area 2,392 m empty weight 2,605 kg takeoff weight 3,480 kg max weight 3,950 kg S1 Rolls-Royce Merlin XX water-cooled V12 power 883 kW performance top speed 505 km or hook climbing speed 14.1 m or range 965 service ceiling 10,970 meters. Thanks for watching. Until next time.